sun,
Yeah.
warm, no cold, no rain.
No Kevin.
No Kevin. No, hang on, is he about? No, he's not about. Perfect motorhome weather. And today, anywhere between 40 and 43,000, you're going to be able to buy this, a Bessacarr E660, a 2011. Have you got the mileage right on this thing? 4,000 miles.
Yeah.
It's 4,005 kilograms, so it's over the 3,500 weight, so you will need a C1 licence to drive it. It's a 3 litre turbo diesel, 160 brake horsepower, and it's just over 7 metres long. So it has got timing chain, so it's not the cam belt. Does that mean it's a chain?
I think so, yeah.
Put chain on this.
Yeah. What is it, 3 litre?
3 litre.
Yeah.
So we're saying it's a chain, not a cam belt.
Yeah.
So if he's wrong, it's his fault. Yours. It's a big boy, this, isn't it?
Massive, yeah.
This is a big boy. So let's have a look around. So it's on the older shape, private plate. Like we said, it's a 160 multi-jet, brake horsepower. We've got the gas, we've got the water filler. I've shown you all these before on the vans. I'm not going to do that because I'll end up breaking it. Every time I do that, I'll break something. Cassette toilet, that's going to be. We've got a bike rack. We've got tow bar, and we've got the ladders as well to get up on the roof. And we've got the awning as well, which is a good size awning there, Finn. Let's have a look. A lot of storage under there. So, are you guessing is the U-shaped lounge, is the fixed bed, is it single beds, what is it?
Well, I know. So
I know. And because the weather is that well, this is something you don't often see outside the office. Just turn around there. Look, everybody's busy. Well, look, everyone's working. Look, you've got John working away. Even Jack's come out as well. So, right, let's go inside the van. I don't know where to start, Ben. Shall we do for the front?
yeah.
Now, this is probably a little bit more than the 43,000 I would have thought. Do you know why, Finn?
Why is that? Automatic.
Automatic. Look at that. Automatic. We've got the reversing camera as well. We've got the aircon, cruise control. We have the blinds, and then we also got the blinds as well on the side windows. Yeah, both of them swivel around. So we've got the 2 belted seats as well there, Finn. And then I'm assuming, let's just have a look. Yeah, oh, there's your batteries. Do you think there'll be 2 in?
Looks like a kit, doesn't it?
Let's have a look. Yeah. Look at that, 2 batteries. So, yeah, this pulls out. And then we've got the other side. The bed, if you notice here, the table will drop down. Can you see the bars there?
Yeah.
To make up a double.
Comes around.
And then we've got, I like these, you know.
Yeah.
I do like these. On them. Yeah. And again, what you can do, it's perfect.
Too far to reach, isn't it, without that? But
yeah,
with that, it's perfect.
Now, all depending where you sit, you can either have a big meal or a little meal. Let's move that around. It's typical Bessacarr, isn't it?
Yeah.
With the wood.
Solid build, isn't it?
Yeah, all typical. There you go, storage. Oh, don't you see that? It's cleaning in there. And then again, I like these as well.
Making the most of the room, aren't you?
Aren't they just? Like place for the TV. Shall let's get some power on it. Cabin lights, there we go, got some lights. So let me just show you the control panel. Nice and easy. We've got the power, the pump. We can choose whether we want leisure battery or vehicle. We've got waste, we've got fresh water. So nice and easy. And then we're moving over to the blown air system, hot water. So here is our electric, gas, or gas and electric we can use, and then we've got the summer settings, that's hot water, heating and hot water, so quite straightforward. And then what I do like about these vans is I've got the separation, so we've got the dinette, we're then moving on to the kitchen. So again, like, look at there, that's nice how they put the shelf in there.
Yeah, stop stuff rattling.
Just shut that there. We've got the microwave, and then we've got a 3-burner hob, hot plate, and again just something simple as well. Decent size. Oh, look at this thing, look at that,
Spins around.
a spinner. That's a good idea, that, isn't it?
Yeah,
that's brilliant. I like that, I do like that, really do like that. And then a van this size, it's going to have a full-size fridge, freezer, storage above. Has it got satellite on this?
yeah, I think so.
Ah.
Yeah.
There we go. And then we have the type of bed's that?
French bed.
French bed. And that's our storage that we saw with the water heater as well. Now, do you think we're going to get a full-size, a combined shower or a separate shower and washroom?
I think probably combined in this. Doesn't look
Combined? I was going to go for... You've been in before.
Sort of in between, isn't it? If you got the divider. So separate and non-separate. Really.
It works.
Yeah.
It works.
Big washrooms, to be fair.
They've done it well, actually. They've done it really well. And then obviously you've got your divider here for your shower. They've made use of the space well.
Yeah.
Personally.
Well, all that's like plastic lined, isn't it? In
Yeah.
there as well. So
Yeah.
it's actually like a wet room.
But yeah, they've worked it well. Then obviously that'll come across to make up your shower area.
Yeah.
But yeah, they've done that well. And then again, you've got storage underneath. Yeah. It's you know, like a lot of the Continental vans, how you've got the smaller dinette, haven't you?
Yeah.
And then you've got your French bed. This seems to me like a stretched bigger,
version.
like a stretched limo, a stretched Continental version.
Yeah.
Divider. Yeah, got the divider as well, which I don't think a lot of the companies tend to put dividers in. I think it.
Nice touch.
I think it does, yeah. It gives you the option, to be honest.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got skylight over the bed. We've got another skylight here, and then we've got the big skylight above the driver passenger. Like we said, it's a 2011, 4,000 miles, 3 litre turbo diesel, 160 brake horsepower. What else have we got here? Satellite disc. Do we know the freshwater and wastewater?
They've not got it on there. No.
Freshwater.
100 litres.
90. Waste.
90.
68.
Oh.
You did them. So there we have it, the Bessacarr E660. Who's this going to suit?
Couple.
I think so.
Couple,
but you have got the option of the full berth.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
So
Perhaps,
again, you can take the grandkids
yeah,
away.
Old couple
It's
grandkids.
definitely a touring van.
Yeah.
3-4 weeks at a time, don't you think?
Easily, yeah.
Yeah, and you've got the space for it as well.
Yeah.
Basically. But yeah, nice van. So if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to us, like us, and do everything you need to do.